Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the Viewplus model and firmware, because menus vary. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, ensure the monitor is on and connected with the original cable so signal and settings respond correctly. Press the physical OSD/menu button now to open controls and navigate to the brightness entry. Make sure to pause on screen. You'll need the menu visible for the next adjustments. Now you'll change numeric brightness values while watching an image or gray test pattern. This shows you how the screen responds. Use the arrow keys for 1% or step increments and make mid-range changes first, then fine-tune in smaller steps so you don't overshoot. If your Viewplus has an ambient sensor or adaptive mode, compare manual and auto results to choose stability versus convenience. Also tweak contrast after finish by saving or exiting the OSD so new brightness values persist. Some models require an explicit save. If values jump or controls are unresponsive, perform a factory reset to restore default menu behavior, then reapply your preferred brightness. If the monitor keeps dimming or flickering, make sure the power supply and cable are secure, test a different input, and update firmware. These steps usually fix hardware or communication issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.